Hello and welcome to Gemini Jets 2006. Today I am going to review this toy. It is the Emirates A380 by Daron. So, taking a look, it is chunkier and definitely bigger than most of the other Daron toys. Here's a British Airways 787 for comparison. So, it is bigger, a little bit. Here's some proper scale. Here is a American penny. This is a nice toy. Emirates, this is one big sticker. I used to be able to, on the older Daron models, I used to be able to peel the stickers off, but these ones have been pretty seamless. Actually, I do believe that this one is printed, so that is interesting. That's definitely better quality, printed. On the engines, have the Emirates logo. My camera isn't going to focus. You have one sort of realistic landing gear on the front. Then you have the wheels on the back. So, of course, this is targeted towards kids who are going to play with it and not display them. On the tail, there's the Emirates tail. There's the Emirates logo. And I got this from Logan Airport, about $10. Most of the models are about $10. You can get it in any airport that, I mean, you do have to find it, but they all are about the same price. This is really nice, $10, it's pretty reasonable, especially if you're looking for a nice toy to play with. So thanks for watching. This is part 2 of 5 of me reviewing Daron one. I believe these are about 400 scale. No, they're toys. Me reviewing one, yeah, I guess 1/400. So reviewing Daron toys. So thanks for watching. And the next part in my toy review series will be Turkish Airlines 777.